Where are you going? How you in lights on 35 miles an hour? Go in the fast lane. Figure something out. Jesus. Some emergency they responding to. This guy just stopped hard because he wants that spot. Like reversing to the spot. I should have been an asshole, pulled in that spot just to make her like, you know. But yeah, so she stopped hard at that Porsche almost rear-ended him. Rear-ended her. You guys saw it, right? It's on camera. DashCam. Subscribe. It's not like before. This guy fucking ate the light and he's on the phone. That's probably why he ate the light, because he's too busy looking down on his phone.